Have you ever wondered how much of the world remains unseen to the naked eye? It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? The truth is, our world is brimming with life that's often too small for us to see. Microorganisms, particles, atoms, these tiny entities are all around us, forming an invisible world teeming with activity. Imagine for a moment the air you are breathing right now. It's not just oxygen and nitrogen. It's a whirlwind of minuscule particles, dust, and a myriad of microscopic life forms. This isn't just a fun fact, it's a reality that impacts our lives every day. Consider the bacteria in our guts, for instance. These unseen helpers break down our food, help us absorb nutrients, and even influence our mood. Or how about the invisible particles that make up everything around us? They're so small, they slip right through the gaps in our perception. But they're there, building the world as we know it. And it's not just about what's small. The unseen world also includes things too slow, too fast, or too far away for our eyes to catch. Like the gradual growth of a tree or the fleeting flicker of a firefly. The unseen world is a vast, intricate tapestry of life and movement that we are all a part of, whether we see it or not. So next time you feel alone, remember there are billions of tiny creatures sharing your space. Did you know that the weight of all ants on Earth is roughly equal to the weight of all human beings? That's right. These tiny creatures that we often overlook are truly a marvel of nature. Let's delve into the fascinating world of ants. These insects are not just strong, they are incredibly strong. Imagine being able to lift something 50 times your own weight. That's exactly what an ant can do. It's like an average adult human lifting a small car. Pretty impressive, right? But strength is not the only thing that makes ants remarkable. Their level of organization is something that even the most sophisticated human societies can strive for. Ant colonies function as a perfectly coordinated unit, each ant carrying out its assigned role with precision. There are worker ants, soldier ants, and even ants whose sole job is to take care of the young. Each one knows its place and dutifully carries out its tasks, contributing to the overall well-being of the colony. And speaking of colonies, did you know that the total population of ants on Earth is estimated to be 1 quadrillion? That's a 1 with 15 zeros after it. In comparison, the human population is a mere 7 billion. Despite their small size, ants play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They are nature's little gardeners, helping to turn soil and bring vital nutrients to the surface, benefiting other plants and animals. They also help control pests by eating the eggs and larvae of many insects. It's easy to overlook ants, to see them as just another insect. But when you stop to consider their strength, their organization, their vast population, and the important role they play in our ecosystem, you begin to see them in a new light. So the next time you see an ant, don't just step over it. Take a moment to marvel at this tiny creature that is, in many ways, mightier than the mightiest of humans. After all, ants may be small, but they are mighty in their own unique ways. Ever thought trees could communicate with each other? Well, they do, in a manner of speaking. Welcome to the fascinating world of tree communication. Trees, unlike us humans, have been on this planet for hundreds of millions of years. And over this vast period, they've developed a unique way to communicate and share resources with each other. This covert, unseen language is a complex network of signals and messages that flow beneath our very feet. In the heart of the forest, beneath the thick layer of leaves and soil, lies a bustling network of fungi, often referred to as the Wood Wide Web. With the help of these fungi, trees form intricate connections, creating a vast interconnected network. But why do trees need to communicate, you might ask? Well, trees are not solitary beings. They thrive in communities, sharing resources and helping each other out in times of need. For instance, a tree basking in the sun can share its excess sugars with a shaded tree, and in return, the shaded tree provides the sunlit one with water and nutrients. This collaborative spirit doesn't stop at resource sharing. Trees also use this network to send distress signals during times of danger, such as an insect attack. When a tree is under attack, it emits chemical signals through its leaves. Other trees pick up these signals and ramp up their production of defensive chemicals, effectively warding off the impending danger. It's a world where every tree, regardless of its size or species, is connected. It's a world where trees work together, help each other, and strive for the collective survival of the forest. The language of trees is a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of life on Earth. It's a reminder that we are part of a complex web of life, a web that thrives on cooperation and mutual aid. Trees may not talk like we do, but they certainly aren't silent. They whisper their stories through the soil, and all we need to do is listen. Can you imagine traveling thousands of miles without a map or compass? Well, that's precisely what monarch butterflies do every year. These tiny yet vibrant creatures embark on an incredible journey, making them the epitome of endurance and determination. Monarch butterflies are known for their annual migration. In North America, they travel from as far north as Canada to the warmer climates of Mexico and California, covering a staggering distance of up to 3,000 miles. Keep in mind, this isn't a one-time journey. They repeat this odyssey annually, guided not by landmarks or signs, but by an internal biological clock. So how does this work? Scientists believe that the butterfly's biological clock, a cluster of cells responsible for their sense of direction, is connected to the sun. This internal compass allows them to maintain their course south, even when the sun is hidden behind clouds or the horizon. They are nature's very own aviators, navigating vast distances with precision, powered by nothing but instinct and determination. But imagine this, a butterfly's life isn't long. Most monarchs live only a few weeks, so the butterflies that start the journey are not the same ones that finish it. It's their offspring, sometimes even several generations later, that complete the trip. These new generations, having never made the journey before, follow the same route as their ancestors, a mystery that continues to baffle scientists. The monarch's migration is more than just a long journey. It's a testament to the wonders of nature, a display of resilience and an awe-inspiring feat of endurance. It's a reminder that even the smallest creatures can accomplish the most extraordinary tasks. Monarchs, with their distinctive orange and black wings, are not just beautiful to behold. They represent an incredible story of survival and endurance that spans generations and crosses continents. They're a symbol of the remarkable adaptability and tenacity of life on Earth. Despite their delicate appearance, monarch butterflies are truly long-distance champions. Their journey, a marvel of nature, continues to captivate us, reminding us of the wonders that the natural world holds. What if you had to eat half your body weight every day just to survive? Now, that's a lot of food to imagine, isn't it? But for the hummingbirds, this is just another day in their fast-paced life. Hummingbirds are small, but they are certainly not frail. These tiny warriors of the avian world lead an incredibly high-speed life. They burn energy so fast that they are always just hours away from starving. An average hummingbird's heart rate can reach as high as 1,200 beats per minute, and their wings can flap up to 80 times in a single second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. Having such a rapid metabolism means that these birds need to eat a lot. To fuel their high-speed lifestyle, hummingbirds consume up to half their body weight in nectar each day. That's like a human eating around 150 pounds of food daily. Despite their size, hummingbirds are long-distance travelers. Some species migrate over 2,000 miles twice a year. During this journey, they may even lose half of their body weight. But don't worry, they quickly regain it by gorging on nectar at their destination. Now let's talk about their flight abilities. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards, sideways, and even upside down. They achieve these acrobatic feats thanks to their unique wing structure, which allows them to rotate their wings in a full circle. This gives them the ability to hover in one place, dart swiftly to another, and perform rapid direction changes in the blink of an eye. In addition, their high-speed life isn't just about food and flight. Hummingbirds also have a vibrant social life. They are fiercely territorial and will not hesitate to dive-bomb intruders, including birds much larger than themselves. In the world of birds, hummingbirds certainly lead a high-speed life. Their incredible metabolism, migration habits, and unique flight abilities make them one of the most fascinating creatures in nature. Have you ever wondered what lurks in the deepest parts of the ocean? Picture an alien world, far removed from the sun's reach, where life thrives against all odds. This is the deep sea, home to a host of weird and wonderful creatures. In this abyssal realm, darkness reigns supreme. Yet the inhabitants of this world have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive. Take, for instance, the anglerfish. This predator uses a luminescent lure, glowing eerily in the gloom, to attract unsuspecting prey right into its toothy maw. Then there's the giant squid, a creature of legend and lore. This elusive behemoth can reach lengths of up to 60 feet. It's a master of hide and seek, evading human detection for centuries until recent times. The giant squid's eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom, about the size of a dinner plate, an adaptation to spot the faintest glimmers of light in the pitch-dark sea. Let's not forget about the Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins that resemble the beloved Disney character. This whimsical creature flutters about the ocean floor, seeking out worms and crustaceans for a meal. It's one of the few cephalopods that doesn't ink. After all, in the extreme depths, there's no need for such defenses. Then there are the tube worms, thriving near hydrothermal vents that spew out scalding toxic water. These creatures don't need sunlight or photosynthesis. Instead, they have a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that convert the vents' chemicals into food. It's a testament to life's tenacity, finding ways to flourish even in the most inhospitable environments. The deep sea is a world of extremes, where pressure can be 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and temperatures can hover just above freezing. Yet, in this harsh, alien landscape, life finds a way. From the bioluminescent anglerfish to the colossal giant squid, the deep sea is teeming with strange and fascinating creatures. In the deep sea, life finds a way in the most unexpected forms. So, the next time you gaze out at the ocean, remember, beneath the waves, there's a whole other world waiting to be explored. Ready for some of the most surprising facts about nature? Let's embark on a quick journey, retracing the steps we've taken through the fascinating world of nature. Our first stop was the unseen world, where we discovered microorganisms, the invisible architects of life. These tiny creatures, too small for the naked eye to perceive, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. They help decompose matter, recycle nutrients, and even influence weather patterns. Next, we admired the mighty ants, the epitome of strength and teamwork. Despite their small size, these insects can carry objects 50 times their weight. Their complex societies, division of labor, and communication methods are a testament to nature's ingenuity. From there, we ventured into the secret language of trees. Trees communicate and help each other through a network of roots and fungi, known as the Wood Wide Web. This intricate system allows them to share resources and even send distress signals. Our journey then took us to the incredible migration of the monarch butterflies. These delicate creatures travel thousands of miles from North America to Mexico, a feat of endurance and navigation that leaves us in awe. Next, we zoomed into the high-speed life of hummingbirds. These tiny birds beat their wings at an astonishing rate of up to 80 times per second. Their high-speed lifestyle requires an enormous amount of energy, making them nature's ultimate energy consumers. Finally, we delved into the strange world of deep-sea creatures. The ocean's depths are home to a myriad of bizarre and fascinating creatures, adapted to survive in an environment where sunlight never reaches. As we revisit these remarkable facts, one thing becomes clear. Nature is full of surprises, from the unseen world of microorganisms to the long-distance journeys of butterflies. These surprises remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. They prompt us to wonder, to explore, and to learn. They challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of our knowledge. They inspire us to respect and protect the myriad forms of life with which we share our world. So let's continue to marvel at nature's surprises, let's continue to learn, and let's continue to protect our planet. For in the words of the great naturalist, Sir David Attenborough, the more we learn about the world, the more we realize how much we still have to discover. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its incredible diversity and surprises. Feeling amazed by nature's surprises? It's fascinating, isn't it? How the unseen world around us is brimming with marvels that often go unnoticed. From the mighty ants to the secret language of trees, from the incredible journey of monarch butterflies to the high-speed life of hummingbirds, and not forgetting the strange world of deep-sea creatures. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. And there's so much more to explore. If you found these fun facts interesting, why not share the joy? Go ahead and hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but a big help for us to bring more such interesting content your way. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Join us in our quest to unearth more of nature's surprises. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. We love hearing from you. Remember, nature always has more surprises in store for us. So stay curious and keep exploring.